In the final section of Organon of Medicine, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann explains in Aphorism 262 to 291 the importance of diet, lifestyle, and removal of obstacles to the cure. Hahnemann emphasizes that proper treatment does not depend only on medicine but also on maintaining a healthy way of life. Now we'll see the importance of diet and regimen. Hahnemann explains that patient must follow a proper diet and regimen during the treatment. Certain foods, drinks, and habits may interfere with the action of homeopathic medicines. Patients are advised to avoid substances that may disturb the vital force or antidote the medicine, such as strong stimulants, excessive spices, alcohol, or other harmful habits. Now we'll see the lifestyle and the environment. The physician should also guide the patient regarding the healthy lifestyle and practices, including proper rest, moderate physical activity, fresh air, and a balanced daily routine. These factors support the natural healing process of the body. Then comes the obstacle to cure. Hahnemann states that many diseases they persist because of obstacles that prevent the recovery. These obstacles may include unhealthy diet, excessive mental stress, harmful habits such as smoking or alcohol, poor living condition, or environmental influences. The physician must identify and remove these obstacles to ensure that the remedy can act effectively. Now we see the role of the physician. In this section, Hahnemann highlights that the physician's duty is not only to prescribe the correct remedy but also to guide the patient towards a healthy lifestyle that supports the recovery. Now we'll see the concluding part. Thus, Aphorism 262 to 291, which emphasize the importance of diet and regimen and removal of obstacles to cure in homeopathic practice. By combining the correct remedy with proper lifestyle guidance, the physician can achieve true, gentle, and lasting healing, fulfilling the principles laid down by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in the Organon of Medicine. Thank you.